If you would like to book a home eye screening and shop later, at the home eye screening page, click on Book Now. Click on Mednefits Members. Schedule your appointment. Fill in your information. Log into your Mednefits app and select the optical category. Select Vision Direct Club. Key in the code found on the listing into the code field of your appointment page and apply. Check your email. You will receive an email with a QR code. Register and scan the QR code with the Mednefits app. Tap on Checkout. Enter the full amount according to Vision Direct Club receipt. Your payment is completed. If you have selected your eyewear and have booked an appointment, here is how you can use your Mednefits entitlement. Pick your eyewear and click on Select Lens and Purchase button. At the Enter Prescription page, book a home eye check. In the pop-up window, schedule your appointment. When it is confirmed, click X to return to your purchase. Proceed to your cart. Click on Mednefits Members. Open your Mednefits app, click on Register and scan the Mednefits QR code as displayed in the pop-up window. Click on Checkout and enter the full bill amount in your cart. Select Continue and click Pay Now. You will reach the green Payment Successful screen on your Mednefits app for the final payment breakdown. You may close the pop-up window if there is no outstanding payment to be made. Click the red Checkout button. At the Payment Information page, select Mednefits Payment. Your payment is completed. If there is an outstanding amount highlighted in a red box at the final payment breakdown page on the Mednefits app, this indicates an out-of-pocket payment on the Payment Successful screen. First payment, key in the amount paid via Mednefits. Second payment, key in the out-of-pocket payable, highlighted in the red box on Mednefits app. Click Save. Click each checkout links. Click the first checkout list to confirm with us the amount of your Mednefits entitlements has been paid. Confirm shipping address and select Mednefits payment. Click the second checkout list to complete payment of the remaining amount with your payment choice. Then you've done. Still unsure? Speak to us on our live chat or WhatsApp us.